Hi guys, happy new year. I hope you've been well. It's your girl Decor by Essy here, or Esther Wangari on Instagram, on Facebook. I've been well, and it's been a while, guys. I've been like 1 year out of YouTube, but guys, thank you so much for being following my content on Instagram there, and also you have been watching my other videos. So thank you for the support so far. But we are back again this year. 2025 is gonna be big for us. So today's video, we're doing a living room makeover. We're going to be making over my friend's home. She just moved in recently, and she called me and told me, you know what, this house doesn't feel like a home, and I want you to come and make it a home. So that's what we'll be doing in the video. So sit back, enjoy, relax, and put a comment down below, and also give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. The process begins with an empty house, and then we lay down each and every piece that my friend has, and all these are the decor pieces that we have made before. Some have been DIYed, some are paintings that she has bought, and measuring the wall using a very straightforward measuring tape. This is the carpenter's tape that I'm using. I also have my carpenter with me, who is also assisting me in the fixing process. So also using a lever is one of the best ways to make sure that everything that you hang on the wall is well leveled and things are not like looking like they're slightly falling apart. So this is the process that I usually ensure that it's well done. I take so much time on this part, because if you don't get it right, then it means that you're going to put things on the wall that don't look really nice. Also, these are mats that we DIYed a year earlier, so we are also going to be using them for the wall as well. The other thing I wanted to mention about interior design and how I go about it. You don't have to really think so much out of the box, because if you have some of the decor pieces that you already have and you would like to incorporate them, we always think about that. We also look at the color schemes and just make sure that everything is matching. So for us, for this house, we were going with black, white, and a bit of gold, and also hanging the painting to just bring the pop of color in the space. So watch, relax, and watch and see until the end. Hi guys, now it's time for the big reveal. Let's see what she thinks about the makeover. Yeah. Oh, she's here. Hello. Absorb it. Absorb it. Absorb it. Which is your favorite feature? Which is your favorite one? Yes. Fun when you On the TV.
Like the way the art pieces fit together.
Wow, I love
That's
it.
my favorite.
Oh
my office setup is my favorite.
And you know now when your video is on for your when you're working and your video is on, you see what you're getting, the background. And then I also incorporated your art. So yeah, the gold, the blues. It's amazing, right?
It is stunning. Oh my god,
Thank
I
you.
missed this part.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you. I'm so glad that you like it. Yeah, it's your house.
I love it.
You love it.
Oh, this is my favorite wall. And the TV looks really nice.
It's awesome.
The yellows, the whites, the pieces. My office.
Yeah.
That's fine when I enter.
Awesome.
These 3 pieces.
And
are
also
so
there is
nice.
more actually. So on the corridor. Okay, so the living room makeover, I hope it was nice. You saw my friend; she was really excited to just see the reveal of her home and her house being a cozy place. So here in Decor by Essy, we'll be doing a lot of interior design, a lot of tips, content, DIYs, home improvements, room makeovers, and all that. So your girl got you. If you're feeling like your room or your space needs some uplifting, please just DM me on my social media on Decor by Essy on Instagram, or you can also reach out to me on email at decorbyessy@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you.